Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In our previous videos we make a clear button functionality, then we learned how to add records in our database, and today we are going to learn how to delete a record from our database. For that functionality, go to the dashboard, just double click on delete, and here the same SQL connection open. Yeah, it's not so hard. SQL command. Now go to our database. Go to the books table, right click, script table as, and this time delete to new query editor window. Let's click on it. Copy our text from delete from to where. Double quotes. Paste. Just delete DBO. Delete from books where ID is equal txt id.text connection cnd execute non-query, and here just take the Ctrl C, Ctrl V, but here this time record deleted successfully, and also include world data as well. And don't forget to include world books data. And if you don't know, you can check my previous video how to load our record in our WinForms application. Just run it. Admin, pass, login. Just type randomly because we are going to delete it anyway. Alright. Okay, just enter the ID and click delete. And yeah, here we have a simple mistake with the syntax. Oh yeah, we missed to include ID. Let's run it again. Password to me, and login. Just type randomly because we are going to delete it anyway. Pages. Guys. Just let's change the ID. Clear it. Delete. Our record is deleted successfully. You don't need to type the whole data, just type the ID, delete, and yeah, alright everyone, it was all today for our tutorial. I've showed you how to delete a record from our database. And in our last tutorial, we are going to learn how to update our database record. So if you want to change the price or the author name or the book name, so stay tuned for our next content. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you soon!